Welcome to ACS Alarms and CCTV, protecting homes and businesses in the northeast of England since 1995. At ACS, we offer a wide range of security solutions, ranging from the design and installation of CCTV systems to the installation and maintenance of intruder alarm systems. Whether you're looking for a small domestic alarm system or a large multi-site integrated security system with remote monitoring, ACS will guarantee you a service you can rely on. A full security survey is carried out at every quotation we attend, and all our security systems are designed to meet your exact requirements. We pride ourselves on a 100% fully comprehensive warranty, as we are vetted and approved members of the Fair Trades Association. To arrange a free survey for your property, please call ACS today.